Wilson. I'm an artist and the founder of Corporate to Canvas, where I provide company team building events through painting activities. I work with small local startups here in San Diego, all the way up to teams from multinational corporations that are in town for meetings, conferences, or retreats. Each activity that I do is customized specifically for the objectives of the team that I'm working with. And the artwork is specific to their needs as well. So that can be anything from a memory of their time here in San Diego, such as palm trees, sunsets, all the way up to a visual interpretation of that company or team's mission statement and core values. If you're interested in having your team experience a painting activity with Corporate to Canvas, please reach out to me. Thanks for watching.